Okay, y'all have seen me do my greens. Well, I've mixed in some chlorella. I believe that's how you say it. I mixed that into my greens, and I've been doing it after the gym. And it's really good. It has lots of vitamins, antioxidants. It pulls out all of the heavy metals, toxins, and all the junk that is just sitting in your gut. Oops, I got cut off. It clears out your gut. And that's why I do it after the gym, if you know what I'm saying. It tastes like grass. But my powdered greens that I mixed it with, they have like an acai berry taste, so it kind of like masks that grassy taste. But yeah, cheers. No.